Hi everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. Today we are going to do a roast chicken in the Deluxe Air Fryer and Oven. And I just wanted to let you know, Shaw's this week had chickens. These were Purdue, and they were 97 cents a pound. So instead of paying 15, I don't know if you can say that, 16 for this, I paid about maybe $6.50 for it. And this is 6.5 pounds, a little bit more than 6.5 pounds, 6.6 pounds. So I asked the butcher to spatchcock it, and he did. And I will throw the back and the giblets in the freezer for a soup. And I'm gonna season this up and let this roast. So take a look. Here is my chicken, and I just put it in the pan, really easy. We've got that chicken, and he did a really nice job. And I'm just going to put it on some, I gotta add food in a little bit. We're just gonna put some lemon garlic. And I'm not gonna put any butter. You can put butter on it, but I'm not going to. Because my grandson, if he wants to have any of this leftover, he's allergic to dairy, so I don't. I'm just using this. This is just like a no salt seasoning. And then I'm gonna put salt on it. But we're just gonna do that, just like that. And then I just like some paprika on it. I'm just going to put some on, just because I feel like it today. There we go. And then I'm going to put some salt, but I have to go get my salt. My salt and pepper here. So I'm going to put some salt on it. And some pepper on it. And this is going to go in. It's already on to add food. And I put it on 375. Could do it a little bit higher heat, but I want to check it on this first to see how that does. And that is set for 55 minutes. So we'll let that go and we'll see how it comes out in about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Spatchcock chickens cook a lot faster than the chicken all intact. And then I have these that are just gonna go right into the freezer. So when I wanna make the stock, maybe I'll save these bones too, make a nice stock with them, have another, something else to use with the chicken. So for $6.50, that's a really good deal. So wait just a minute, we'll get that to go with the chicken. I wanted to do it really easy. I had some leftover spinach that I needed to use up. And I just got some mushrooms and onions and I sauteed those. So that's the first thing side dish that we're gonna have. This is bubbling away. It's going to be some pasta. Here's my pasta right there with egg. Something that, you know, my mother used to make all the time. And I thought, geez, I really want that. And it's a great side dish. And then finally, we have a tomato salad. I got some vine ripe tomatoes. So I just sliced one up with some onion and seasoned it, salt and pepper and olive oil with some pomegranate balsamic vinegar. So that's the side dishes. And our chicken is almost done. I'm gonna put it on here. Look at how nice that looks. And let it just sit for a little bit. And just let it come together. And then I will cut into it. So here it is. Normally I'm the one who eats the wings. So we've got wings, we've got our pasta, we have our veggies, and we have our tomato salad. All done, and I think this took me a little over an hour, maybe an hour and 20 minutes, and it was done. That's the beauty of spatchcocking a chicken and doing it in something like the Deluxe Air Fryer and Oven. It's really, really quick. So what are you cooking up? I'd love to hear. Bye for now.